Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to use operator skills that support your allies or support your friends by deploying ammo or make a point for redeploying your allies. So what you need to do is click your loadout at the bottom of your screen. This is the operator skill that you use. Click this one, the first one at the left. This is the operator skills. This is the unlock one, this is the unlock, and this is the lock one. So that I want to show you is how to use this Tac-Deploy. So the detailed information is deployable beacon. This is the beacon that allows your teammates to redeploy to the surrounding area. So let's try it now. So as you can see, the Tac-Deploy that I use already active. Let's deploy the the operator skill. This is the Tac-Deploy. So my teammates can redeploy in here, but yourself cannot do it. So you can your allies or your teammates can redeploy the ammo and also the grenade. So thank you for today. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe. And also click thanks button below. Enjoy the game.